Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to share your mobile screen to your own phone to another phone or to your computer, or sometimes we need to share our mobile screen to an expert, because when we get problem in our phone and if we don't get solution, that time we can ask to our friends remotely and they can solve our problem remotely through this screen sharing application. And you can control everything. Okay, you can go to Facebook, or you can go to gallery, or you can go to everywhere. Okay, and you can solve their problem remotely through this application. This is really an amazing application for Android user. So if you really want to learn how to share your mobile screen easily, that time this video is only for you, because through this video I will show you the easiest process for sharing your mobile screen. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you can see in my hand I have two phones. Okay, this is my primary phone and this is my secondary phone. Okay, so I just already control this phone from this phone. Okay, I can solve any kinds of problem from there. Okay, so let me show you. I can enter into gallery and I can delete any kinds of photos. Suppose I can delete this one from there, and I can also do text into WhatsApp. I can send messages from here. Okay, and let me show you. I can go to Facebook also from there. Everything, every single thing I can control from this phone to this phone through this screen sharing application. And sometimes some people get some problem, and if they don't find solution, that time they can ask to your friend remotely, so that they can solve your problem remotely through this process. Okay, so let me show you actually how can you do that. So you can see I have got two phones, right? So I want to share this phone screen to this phone for getting some solution or for getting control. Okay, so let me do it something in this phone. Okay, I want to share this screen to another phone. Okay, so let me go to first Play Store, and then you need to download this application. I mean, just search here Teamviewer. Okay, you can see Teamviewer remote control. Don't install it, you need to install another one, which is Teamviewer quick support. Okay, so you can see Teamviewer quick support. So you need to install this application into this phone. I mean, from which phone you want to share your screen. So let me install it first. So after installing this application, just click here open option, and after that click agree and continue in here. Then you can see share this device screen to any computer or even to another mobile device. Okay, so just swipe right and then click here done option, and after that click settings option in here, then click allow display over other apps. After that just get back from here, and then you need to download another application which is add-on. Okay, you need to download it for correct function. Okay, if you don't download it, then this remote control maybe will not work. Okay, so just click here download option, and you can see Teamviewer universal add-on. And if you miss from there, then you can search in here Teamviewer remote control add-on. So just you need to install this application into this phone. Okay, so let me do that. So after doing that, just get back from here, don't do anything, and right now you need to come to your another phone. I mean, from which phone you want to control. Okay, and right now you need to go to Play Store from this phone, and then search here Teamviewer, and right now you need to install this application, Teamviewer remote control. Okay, don't download this. Teamviewer quick support into this phone, I mean from which phone you want to share your screen, and in another phone you need to download Teamviewer remote control. Okay, so just go there, quick support, whatever. Just after downloading it, just click here open option and agree and continue in here, then get started. After that, in this phone you can see your ID, right? So you can send my ID from there to your WhatsApp, to your Facebook, or anywhere else. Otherwise you can type it manually. Okay, so let me write it down in here. So you can see I just write this code into this phone. Okay, so let me click here remote control and make sure in both phone have internet connection, otherwise this process will not work. So you can see external connection outgoing, and allow remote support into this phone. You need to click here allow option. After that, universal add-on activation. Okay, you need to enable this service, otherwise you can't control from this phone. Okay, so let me click here enable option and then go to there download services, and then Teamviewer universal add-on, just turn it on accessibility, and after that just tick there and wait for few seconds. And guys, if you do it correctly, then your process will be work, and if you don't get it, then do it from beginning. Okay, so now click here OK option, and now get back from here again, and again click here remote control and wait for few seconds. You can see ready to connection, incoming connection. So again click here allow option and wait for few seconds, then click here start now. Okay, and it's already begun. So you can see I can control every single thing from there. Okay, and I can give solution to my remote friend. Okay, whenever you get problem, that time you can ask to your friends remotely through this application, through this screen sharing application. So this is it guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks, do comment, give like and do subscribe.